All right, good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Nez Porter down here on Washington Street, where they're giving out free food, and I believe they do it every other month. So I'm gonna have this young lady give you guys more information. You know, it's a small bag, but it helps. Um, right here at 373 Washington Street in Dorchester. You guys get an idea where we're at. And that's
Too heavy? Too heavy?
so
Can
tell
you carry it?
you got it?
Got it? Okay.
So tell me a little bit about the program you have going on here.
Well, we are Sounds of a New Beginning Church Ministry, and we try to do our best to help out those who are in need. We try to help stretch your food budget, as best we can. God said for us to take care of one another. So this is what we're trying to do, to help one another in the name of Jesus. We do this ministry once every other month. And we do it from 9 to 12. Anybody is welcome. You don't have to show no ID. You don't have to tell about your income. If you want a bag of food, you are so welcome to it. In the name of Jesus.
All right.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
Oh, young lady here is working hard as well. All right, so they give out free food. It's every other month, correct?
Every other month.
Every
So
other
the
month.
next time we'll be out is in June.
In June, okay. That's good for the people to know.
Yes. It's always on the fourth Saturday
The fourth Saturday.
of every other month.
Okay, cool. All right, guys.
Okay.